Looking for the best phone cases for iPhone 16 but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 10 best phone cases for iPhone 16 based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 10. Number 10. Gotubiim Gotubiim-CE-001. I'm in the middle of a workout and my iPhone 16 slips out of my sweaty hands, but this case saves the day, protecting it from a potentially disastrous drop. What sets it apart is its incredible magnetic strength, holding tight even when I'm shaking my phone like crazy while charging. It's a total lifesaver for anyone who's constantly on the go and uses wireless charging. For those who want top-notch protection, a premium feel, and seamless compatibility with all wireless chargers, including MagSafe, this case delivers. Plus, it's got a perfect fit with anti-slip stripes and a lifetime warranty, making it a no-brainer for anyone looking for a reliable, high-quality option. Number 9. OtterBox 77 to 99,649 iPhone 16 Symmetry Series Cactus. We often see phone cases that sacrifice style for protection, but this one bucks that trend, delivering both in equal measure. What really sets it apart is its precision fit, designed specifically for the iPhone 16. It's like a second skin that preserves the phone's sleek design without compromising on usability. But what's truly impressive is its 3x military-grade drop protection. It's been tested to withstand some serious falls, giving you peace of mind no matter where life takes you. The cactus-based leather is another standout feature, soft to the touch and resistant to stains and scratches. It's a game-changer for everyday durability. Refined protective details like metal button accents and MagSafe magnets just seal the deal, making this case a must-have for anyone who's always on the go. It's a durable, reliable, and stylish accessory that's got your phone's back. Number 8. OtterBox 77 to 97,731 iPhone 16 React Series Case. Are you tired of cases that add bulk to your iPhone or compromise its sleek design? This case stands out for its precision fit, designed exclusively for the latest iPhone model, providing a secure hold without the extra weight. But what really impresses is the ultra-thin drop protection, tested to military standards, yet still slim enough to preserve that minimalist look. Plus, it's made with a minimum of 45% recycled content, giving it a modern, eco-friendly vibe. And with its hard case and soft grip, you get the best of both worlds, durable protection and comfortable handling. If you want a case that's built to last, with a reputation for reliability, then this is the one for you. It's a no-brainer. Number 7. OtterBox 77 to 96,249 iPhone 16 React Series Case, Stardust, ultra-thin. If you're an iPhone 16 owner who's constantly on the go, this case is a must-have. Its precision fit ensures it stays securely in place, preserving the phone's sleek design, while the ultra-thin drop protection meets military standards for reliable everyday protection. A hard case paired with a soft grip finish provides comfortable handling, and the built-in MagSafe magnets snap seamlessly to chargers and accessories. Plus, it's made with a minimum of 45% recycled content, making it a responsible choice for anyone looking to reduce their environmental impact. In short, this case delivers quality you can count on. Number 6. OtterBox React Series Case, iPhone 16, Clear iPhone 16 React Series Case, Clear, ultra-thin. If you're an iPhone 16 owner who values both style and substance, this case is a must-consider. Its precision fit delivers a snug, form-fitting profile that preserves your phone's sleek design, and with ultra-thin drop protection, you can rest easy knowing your device is safeguarded. Made from a minimum of 45% recycled content, it's also a great option for those who prioritize sustainability. I really appreciate the combination of a hard shell with a soft touch grip. It provides comfortable handling and seamless MagSafe connectivity. Designed to meet military standards, this case is built to last, and backed by a reputation for quality you can count on. It's a reliable choice for everyday protection. Number 5. OtterBox AUS 204 iPhone 16, Defender Series MagSafe Case, holster clip included, built-in magnets, screenless, rugged and durable. I'm sitting on a crowded bus, and I watch as a guy next to me fumbles with his phone, accidentally dropping it onto the floor. Luckily, his case absorbs the impact, and his phone just slides right back into his pocket. That's exactly the kind of protection I'm looking for, which is why I've been using this premium case, precision engineered to fit my iPhone 16 perfectly, with a tri-layer design that rebounds from hard drops and meets military standards. Plus, with MagSafe charging and anchor points for phone straps, I've got all the modern convenience I need, and it's all wrapped up in a slim, eco-friendly package. Number 4. Miracase Basic Case Compatible. This case is a masterclass in problem solving, addressing two major pain points at once: durability and wireless charging. It's made with a thick, 3.0mm liquid silicone that's nearly scratch-proof, and it's got a magnetic function that lets you use wireless charging without any hassle. But what really sets it apart is the thoughtful design, like the outer lip that raises the camera and screen to prevent damage from drops. And with a wide range of colors to choose from, you can pick the perfect match for your style. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, low-maintenance phone case that still looks great. Number 3. SPIDERCASE. We've all seen it happen. You're in a rush, juggling tasks on the go, and your iPhone slips out of your hands, screen facing down, and you're left praying it's just a scratch. But what if you could avoid that moment of panic altogether? This case is designed specifically for the iPhone 16, with precise cutouts for easy access to all your ports, buttons, and sensors, and it's got a super strong magnetic attachment that aligns perfectly with wireless chargers, making charging a breeze. And when you need to get a better view, the built-in 3-way flexible stand is sturdy, durable, and made from aerospace-grade aluminum, offering a comfortable viewing angle in any mode. Plus, with its 10-foot military-grade shockproof design, you can drop your phone from up to 10 feet and still be good to go, thanks to its tough PC brushed back and soft flexible rubber bumpers. It's also got skin-friendly textures on the sides, and a stylish, elegant design that gives your phone a mysterious elegance. Number 2. SUPFINE Magnetic. If you're tired of juggling your iPhone 16's charging cable while it's placed on a cluttered desk or nightstand, this case has a clever solution. Its super magnetic attraction feature uses powerful built-in magnets for easy place-and-go wireless charging, and it's even compatible with MagSafe. The design is tailored specifically for iPhone 16 owners, ensuring precise cutouts for easy access to all your ports, buttons, and cameras. The matte translucent back provides a premium touch and excellent grip, blocking smudges, fingerprints, and scratches. It's also been put through rigorous military drop tests, passing with flying colors up to 10 feet, that's peace of mind against violent impacts and drops. With soft and sensitive buttons that are easy to press, this case is a reliable and stylish option for anyone who wants a hassle-free experience. Number 1. Miracase 69493123952558. If you're tired of swapping screen protectors or worrying about your iPhone screen getting damaged, this case has got you covered with its innovative built-in 9H glass protector that's bubble-free and scratch-resistant. What sets it apart is its military-grade full-body design, perfect for the adventurous types who need a phone case that can withstand rough handling and extreme conditions. You'll also appreciate the unique camera control feature and the fact that the case has a built-in magnet ring for seamless wireless charging. The diamond-hard clear back is a nice touch, keeping your iPhone looking brand new. Overall, this case is a must-have for anyone seeking a high-quality protection solution that's easy to use. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.